Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot or screenshots on this watch. So before we continue, your watch needs to be paired with a phone for this to work, so make sure that the devices are paired together. And once your watch is paired with a phone, to take a screenshot you simply press the crown button and the side button together. You will see the flash on the screen, and basically that means that the screenshot was taken. And once you take some screenshots, you can check them on the phone that is paired with your watch. You can go to the Photos app on the phone that is paired with your watch. So let's open Photos, and in Photos go to Collections or Albums, and you should see the screenshot album. And if you open it, you have your screenshots right here. And that's how you take screenshots on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.